What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Frankie Candles daily live stream every weekday here at 5:45 p.m. right after Around the Blockchain. Let me see ATB gang in the chat. Let me know if he came over from ATB. How did DZ treat you today? Let me know. Was he a good boy? Was he a good boy? Guys, we got the fedora on. We landed on Funny Hat yesterday. He had to pull out the fedora. I don't know. I think I might just shout out to Brad. Brad, if you're in here, thank you for the fedora, man. Fits perfectly, and I like it a lot. Perfect CandleMafia vibes here. I think I'm going to start favoring the fedora. This is just my favorite hat. The birthday boy hat's pretty funny, too. But guys, welcome back to the stream. We got tons to talk about as Bitcoin is doing some pretty crazy stuff. Got a bunch of trades open right now. We're going to check in on those. I know you guys like to see my trades, so we're going to check that out. All shorts right now. Might take some profit as we are getting a little bit of a bounce here. So I actually think my first take profit may have gotten hit. We're going to have to check on that. But yeah, guys, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. We're going to be taking a look at the altcoins. Like I said, we're going to be checking in on those trades. Still, as of right now, still holding on to my bearish leaning bias. Even if we wind up getting a big pump out of here, we're going to have to go pretty high for me to invalidate these longer term bearish signals on the chart. But I think maybe we do get a bounce. We were talking about this a little earlier. I think on Ben's stream, on the BitBoy Crypto morning stream, we were talking about possibly getting a bounce up and where I think it could take us. I think we might be able to get a decent bounce if we do continue coming up. But we're going to have to take a look at it. Before we jump into it, let's go ahead and say what is up to chat. Who do we got in here today? Already going nuts. Let's see. Michael Snelling, welcome back. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you always being in these streams. Rob the Crypto Snob, same to you. Welcome back, Rob. Thank you for being here. Ill Hero, welcome back. CryptTKO, what is going on? He's saying what's up to Rob. You guys are all making friends in this chat. I absolutely love it. XRB Shillbilly, I could guess that the Billies are out to play today. XRP Shillbilly. Oh, wow. He said, Billies, we out here. We be out here. Yes, you guys will. You guys are out here. We got a bunch of Billies in here. Thank you for being here. Let's see. Magic Olson, what is going on? Crypto Anon, what is up? Welcome. Thank you for being here, Crypto Anon. You are an OG supporter. Appreciate you. Got to meet Crypto Anon at Bitcoin Miami 2022, along with Matt Wolfmeyer and Brad. Super, super cool dudes. Crypto Anon, fellow New Yorker. Let's go. Let's see. Steve H, what is going on? Welcome to the stream. Thank you for being here. Black Diamond, Mickey Snelling, what is going on? Welcome. She says, what's up, fellow ladies? Let's make money. Let's go. Mickey, welcome back. Thank you. Let's see. AZTV, me and ADHD says, people, hope everyone is good. Press that like indicator device on the screen, guys. Yeah, smash the like button, guys. You know the deal. Every 100 likes you get, you guys get a spin on the Wheel of Pain and Pleasure, where you guys have 2 chances to win a giveaway. We're giving away NFTs like they're free, but they're not. Not for me, at least. They're free for you guys, not for me. But I love to do it for the Mafia. Let's see. Let's get a few more people in here. Derek B, what is going on? Thank you for being here. Simon. Ryan, what is going on? Lane Hughes, as always, good to see you. Part-time chemist, what is going on? CandleMafia here. Let's go. Let's see. Tony D, one of our wonderful mods. Tyler Durden, one of our other amazing mods. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate you. Let's see. Let's get a couple more in here. We got The Slim. Welcome back. Good to see you here. Chris Higgins, as always. Pleasure to see you. Let's see. Badman Elite, what is going on? Optimus Prime, what is up, guys? We got Optimus Prime in the chat. Let's get it. AZTV. Jay, what's going on? Epic. CJ Baker. Epic, thank you for being here, brother. Good to see you again. CJ Baker, thank you for being here again. Freddie, Vulcan, Robert, Dwayne, Anonymous, D Petty Crypto, welcome back. Jimmy Boy, Jimmy Two Shoes. I got my black coffee. Salute, my friend. And Audi Trades, Justin, G-Man, Vinny, and Kelvin, Austin C, welcome to the stream. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate every single one of you more than you probably think. But guys, we got a lot to talk about here. Let me pull up my sleeves and get ready. This fedora and the sweatshirt, not really, kind of clashing, I feel like. The sweatshirt's not classy, but that fedora be pretty classy, guys. Without further ado, let's go ahead, jump into the charts. Let's check on these trades and see what the heck is going on. Where is Bitcoin going? Let's check it out. Here we are. Let me go ahead and go full screen there for you guys so you can see. Guys, let's start off on Bitcoin. We're not really going to cover the weekly, as I know you guys basically know my thoughts on the weekly. Not looking good, in the red. Not looking good. It's looking good if you're looking to buy, though. So keep that in mind, guys. So let's just go ahead and start on the daily. Let's kind of analyze price action. Not going to pay too much attention to market cipher A or even B right now, because we have enough price action analysis that we can do here. Basically, guys, this is what's going on. Let me get rid of these lines just so we can clear things up a little bit. Guys, we're hanging out at very, very critical support. This is the bottom of the macro bear flag that we are forming. This macro bear flag. Now, bearish pattern, I know we talk about this a lot. These typically break to the downside. Doesn't mean they can't break to the upside, but, more often than not, they do break to the downside. Let me know if you guys are getting any interference on the mic there from my phone. But yeah, we're sitting, guys, we are clinging on for life here. We do not want to lose these levels if we want Bitcoin to go up. Currently, I'm kind of praying it breaks support and comes down, as I am in a bunch of shorts right now. But we are getting a bounce. We're going to take a look at that in a second. But guys, we are at critical support here at the bottom of the bear flag. If we break this, it's probably not looking good. We're most likely going to come down and test this 786 fib level at 36,400. And if we break that, the bloodbath will begin. Probably going to be working our ways down towards this this macro golden pocket. As you guys know, at about 29K is our big major support that we're looking to go ahead and test. As you guys know, we did test it once here. We tested again right here. And maybe we come down to test it for a third time before coming up for a big move to the upside. Maybe that's the bottom of the bear market. We're going to have to assess the situation if and when we get there. But right now, guys, it is an absolute nail biter sitting at this support. Now, let me go ahead and pull this. Now, we have some other things forming on the chart that I do want to touch on. But first, let's come to these higher hourly time frames. 16-hour, printing that red dot. Not quite confirmed yet. Going to have another 2 hours to confirm this red dot on the 16-hour. These red dots on the longer time frames typically will bring you down a decent bit. I could see it bringing us down to the 786 fib level. As you can see right here, our last red dot brought us down. Let's go ahead and actually measure that out from this candle, right? Brought us down about 5%. If we get the same thing from the top of this candle, bring us down about 5%. We're on our way. It almost brings us, 5.5% would bring us right down to that 786 fib level. So definitely possible. But red dot on the 16-hour, not a great look. 12-hour, also printing a red dot, not a good look. Also, if we turn on Market Cipher A, guys, yellow X on the 12-hour. That's a high time frame to have a yellow X popping up. And if we just go back and back test these, we had one here, actually didn't play out too drastically. Actually was like a little fake out there. That one actually didn't play out, but typically they play out in a much more brutal fashion, such as this. Right, so that yellow X pushed us right through all this support. We just absolutely just plummeted. Just whatever that is, we just blasted through all of this support off of this 12-hour yellow X, came up, came back down, got another yellow X, pushed us down again before coming up, and then we were kind of just trending down there. But then we got a big bounce for that second run up to 69K. So these 12-hour yellow X's, even though it didn't really play out here, they typically do bring us down quite a bit. Now, 10-hour, also VWAP, red dot confirmed, VWAP below that zero line could bring us down a little bit more. Is that a no bullish divergence? I don't believe. Yeah, no bullish divergence. But I know you guys are looking at this falling wedge. Like, are you going to get to the falling wedge? We're going to get to it, guys. Don't worry. But you know what? Let's just touch on it. We'll go to the 4-hour to dissect this a little bit. We are forming a falling wedge pattern, right? As you have price kind of consolidating in here, right? You come in, boom, boom, start to consolidate. Price starts to coil up a little bit. And then, see, the good news is this is typically a bullish bias pattern. I think it breaks to the upside about 60-something% of the time, maybe 65, 68% of the time. Breaks to the upside, right? So that is bullish, right? Maybe we get a break to the upside here. We were up here this morning wondering if that was going to be the breakout, but we actually came down to test the bottom of this wedge. Now, maybe this is where we see the bounce out if it is going to break to the upside. As far as targets, if you grab from the top of the wedge to the bottom, it does, and you bring it to the end of the pattern, right? It does bring us almost perfectly up to this 42.2 level right here, this white line, to come up and break out to the upside. I would expect it to be able to possibly bring us up to here. That's how you pull the price target. You get the high to the low, bring it to the end of the pattern, and break it out. Depending on where it were to break out, obviously that would change. But roughly, it does bring us about to this 42.2 level. So that would be some major support or major resistance that I would be keeping an eye on if we do wind up getting a break to the upside. Now, if we get this break to the upside, all the way up to 42.2, this does not completely invalidate the bear thesis. The bear thesis can still be in play if this happens. Price is volatile. whether you're going up or down. When you're coming down, you're going to get bounces on the way down. If you're going up, you're going to get corrections down on the way up. So, it's not like if we break out here, it's guaranteed all-time highs. You're probably going to see a lot of people starting to say that. And it doesn't mean that we can't go back to all-time highs, but you're going to have to, coming up to this level is not we could easily, break out here, work our way, bounce off that golden pocket, come up, and then get a harsh rejection to finally come down. It's feeling like that the price wants to go down, right? Those longer time frames, we looked at it in a previous stream, guys. There's so many things that are just mimicking a typical bear market that we see. The structures are the same. The market cipher indications are the same. The money flow is the same. Even the physical price action structure, the actual structure of the candles is very, very, very similar to a bear market, all the bear markets that we've seen so far. So, can something different happen? Absolutely, not impossible, but with the way things are looking, I am expecting, it feels like price wants to come down. Even if we get a pump, I would be looking to add to some of my shorts if we do come up. Obviously going to analyze and see what the charts are looking like when we get up there. If it's going to continue to look bullish, we have to be willing to change our narrative, right? Or change our point of view or opinion, because if you're just gonna, that's the thing. People hate when you change your mind, right? Like if you're feeling bearish and then something bullish is looking like it's happening on the charts and you say now you're bullish, people get mad. But it would literally be counterproductive to just stick to your opinion because that's your opinion, right? Right now, the signals and the TA is telling us that it's bearish. Very, very bearish. It is looking like we want to go down. But if something crazy happens and things start to look bullish, we have to change our mind, right? It would be stupid for us not to, because we want to make money trading. So, it makes no sense to just sit out and be like, I want it to go down, even though it's going up now. Like you don't want to do that. You want to be able to, you don't want to stick yourself in an echo chamber. Don't identify as a bull or a bear. You can be both. You don't have to just be a perma bull or a perma bear. I mean, I'm a perma bull long term. I'm bullish on crypto long term. So in that fashion, I'm a crypto bull forever. But as a trader, you got to be able to flip-flop, because if you don't flip-flop, you're going to wind up getting wrecked. You're going to just, if you're coming up and things are bullish, you're going to keep trying to short and you're just going to get stopped out or liquidated and just get wrecked. So you got to be able to flip-flop your opinions. But right now, my opinion stays the same. I am feeling very bearish, especially with that 12-hour yellow X that has popped up. It's just adding more bearish fuel to the fire. But to come up and, scare all the shorts, right, and liquidate all the shorts, get everybody to stop out their trades up here before finally getting a turn down, even if we come up higher to get a turn down, to shake out all the shorts before having that massive move down would make a lot of sense. So we could see a short-term bounce. We're going to zoom in on the price action right now. So you got to remember, macro on the longer time frames, still 100% in a bear flag, in a very, very sketchy spot on the bear flag. If this thing's going to break down, it could break down here. Even if we come up, it could break down from here, right? We can go all the way to the top of the bear flag and then break down from there. But this is a bearish pattern. But then when you zoom in on the lower time frames, we are starting to form a more of a lower time frame bullish pattern that could bring us up in the short term, right? Even if this breaks out to 42, if you go back to the daily, that rip up to 42 is, almost not even halfway up the bear flag. So, it's not like you're still definitely in a bearish pattern macro, even if this breaks out bullishly. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. I don't know if I explained that well, but I think I might have. But yeah, so very, very, very sketchy times right now, guys. Let's go ahead and let's just zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the 15-minute and get a look at what is going on here with this little bounce, right? We came down and tested this trend line, right? Actually, let me come up a little bit. Let's come to the 2-hour so we can see a little better. So we've come down. I'm going to get rid of this this falling wedge here just to clear things up. And you see this trend line that we wicked down to. We did come down and touch it 1, 2, and now we are touching it 3 times. So with this, with this falling wedge at support, and with the 3 touches, right, we could possibly boom, 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 and then launch out from here. That is another possibility. But again, with the way the longer time frames are looking, I don't know how big of a run this would be if we do get the breakout. You have to remember, macro, you're still in this big bearish pattern versus this tiny little falling wedge. with the target of only 42,000, which isn't even halfway up into this bull flag. And then, you know, on the bullish side too, something that would support this is you do have your 2-day starting to inch towards that 0 line. So if we wind up getting a decent bounce, right, and then we come up here and we break this and we go to test it as support as the 2 days printing a green dot, maybe that could bring us up. But I don't, you know, it's like 1 or 2 bullish puzzle pieces to 10 bearish puzzle pieces, right? It's a game of probability. So you want to keep that in mind. I don't know, you know, anytime I see something bullish like this, with all the tens of bearish things going on the charts, I don't really know how good I'm feeling about it. But coming back down to the 15-minute, just so we can kind of see what happened with the price action here. So we came down and we touched that trend line almost perfectly. I know the line is not drawn perfectly. I'm not going to worry about perfecting it right now. I don't want to waste any time. But we did get a nice little bounce here. We are correcting a little bit. That 15-minute VWAP is coming towards that 0 line. So maybe we come down a little bit more and then we bounce back up to retest this level of resistance again at 38K. But we pumped up to 38K essentially, and now we've rejected. So we want to continually see price. We came up tested. We want to see price make a low, and then we want to make a higher low, and then a higher low. That way, we have that formation that I tell you guys about when you have higher lows forming, when you're up against resistance. Typically, you see things break to the upside when that happens. So that would be the bullish case. And then the bearish case would be we get, you know, some crazy, you know, we get a yellow X or a blood diamond here, and it pushes us through these levels. We're going to have to see what happens next. Let's go ahead. 317 people in here, guys. If you're new or not new, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys want a chance to win a giveaway, there's 2 spots on that wheel for a giveaway. We give away NFTs. It feels like 50 times a week. So definitely smash that like button. For every 100 likes, you guys get an extra spin. Every extra spin gives you guys an extra chance to win. And you also help out the channel, guys. It's the best, easiest, most free way to help promote our channel and push it out to more people and help YouTube throw us into that algorithm and so we could grow the Candle Mafia, guys. We are trying to build a Candle Mafia and turn it into a candle army, a candle militia. Let's get it, guys. So thank you. Definitely smash that like button. You guys are the best. Let's go ahead and check chat real quick. Let's see. Hey, Captain Kirk, what's going on? Captain Kirk, one of our wonderful mods. Thank you for being here, Cap. We love you. Let's see. Okay, so Chemistry Bro says, hey, we got part-time chemist and Chemistry Bro. We got like 3 Billies. Hey, I think we all got stuff in common in here. I love that. The last 2 times were Wicks, though. We hugging it now, so I think drop is coming. Yeah, Chemistry Bro, great point. You know, as you guys can see, the last time we tested these this trend line, this was a wick, this was a wick, and then, you know, we are just resting on here. Actually, if you were to go ahead and move this bear flag to the body closes, right, not the wicks, we've already broken down out of this bear flag. So, you know, we could possibly get a pump out through the golden pocket and then retest the bear flag as resistance before crashing down. That is another possibility. So thank you for pointing that out, Chemistry Bro. Let's see. Tony D says 12K subs incoming. Guys, we're creeping up on 12K subs. Let's go. Candle Mafia is taking over the world. Let's see. Candle Army, let's go. Razarda, let's go. Vsum says Candle Militia. Hey, like smash. Thank you. Hope, what's going on? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. We will check Doge at the end of the stream. We will be taking a look at the altcoins, so save your altcoins for later in the stream. Let's see. We hunting longs or shorts? We're gonna check in on my shorts right now. I'm in a bunch of shorts right now. But hey, if we get a bounce off of here, it might not. You might be able to catch a long. Let's see. I've got a lot to learn. Hey, Dwayne, you're in the right spot, Dwayne. I'm talking to you. You're in the right spot. If you're not, you learn from me, and anything that I can't answer for you and I miss your chat, Candle Mafia is great at helping you learn and answer your questions, whether it be in the chat or our Discord. Guys, check the link in the description to join our Discord. Tons of great people in there, putting their charts, putting their TA. I hop in there. I'm going to be hopping in there for a 15-minute chill sesh. Maybe tonight I can try to do that. I have some work I have to do tonight, but maybe I'll try to hop in there, do some TA, send you guys some stuff out, and just kind of hang out in there for a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, you got the meeting tomorrow, the Fed meeting tomorrow. Yeah, so you got Satoshi. What's going on, man? Thank you for being here. Yeah, so get ready for that. It's probably going to be some volatility based off of that. I know I ain't the only one. Okay, hit that like button, peep. I see you, G-Man. Didn't want to say that live, but I see you, man. Take a look at what happened after March 17th rate hike. Stocks and crypto both went up. Yeah, not possible. We going up, Frankie. I swear, Connor. Not impossible. Like I'm saying, like we are getting up. We are getting a little bounce. I do think we could break out of that falling wedge, possibly with a target of about 42.2. Definitely in the cards. Rob, Paul Barron's. Yes, we're working on it. We're working on it. We're gonna make a video. I think we're gonna make a video. We're looking into it, and I think we're gonna do it. 7K on the way. Let's go, Garrett. Yeah. Hey. I would 7K. It's time to sell your house, sell the kids, and buy more Bitcoin. That's for sure. Ri-Fi, what is going on, man? Welcome back. Thank you for being here. Congrats on 12K. Are we there yet? We might be there. I don't know. Got to check on that. ETH on a daily support on the descending wedge center line. Oh boy, we'll take a look at it. I've learned a lot in that Discord. Ryan, let's go. That's why it's there, to help you guys learn. There's that Tyler Durden threw in that link. They do call him Tyler Durden, master of all links, if you guys don't know that. +1 Discord. Let's go, Epic. Trade the Fed meeting announcement? Maybe. You might want to see what happens first, Sam. There's going to be probably some volatility tomorrow, whether it is to the upside or the downside. Anonymous, don't be bull or bear. Mooses win both ways. Let's go. We're not bullish. We're not bearish. We're moosish. We're moosish. We got both ways. We got two giant antlers. One's going up. One's going down. Let's go, Anonymous. Let's see. What's up, Vito? Vito, what's going on? We got Uncle Vito in the chat. No one would let it go to 7K. Way too many buyers and holders now. Yeah, I don't know. Listen, Garrett Soloway knows his stuff. Yeah, he does not joke around. He's been doing this for a very, 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 very long time. He's a really, really good technical analyst. So he knows his stuff. But there is, I see what you're saying. There is a lot of, we have institutional money, maybe a black swan event. That's really the only thing I can see bringing us all the way down there again. But we'll have to see what happens. Scared money don't make no money. Carlo, absolutely. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check on these trades. Let me just pull it up. Actually, in some KuCoin trades, as well as some Femex trades here. Guys, if you do want to sign up for Femex and trade Bitcoin, long it or short it, meaning make money going up or make money going down, because if you don't know, you can do that. You can make money when the price is going down, just like you can when the price is going up. So we're not scared of bear markets over here. We're making those bagels either way. Excuse me. But if you guys want to sign up for that, I did not pin it. I did not pin it. Where is it? Where is it? No. If you guys want to sign up, I am going to put a link in chat right now. You could click that link and sign up for Femex. I'm going to pin it to the top of the chat as well. And you guys can go ahead and click that link at the top of the chat. Sign up for Femex. You get a deposit bonus, so you get a little extra money in your account, and you help out the Candle Mafia and Frankie Candles just a little bit. So I would greatly appreciate it. It's a win-win situation. So if you're interested in that, definitely click that link and sign up for Femex. But let's go ahead and check in on these trades. So let's start with KuCoin. So, was up a lot more before. Or not a lot more, but we were up a little bit more before. But I am in a Bitcoin short and an ETH short, right? Nothing too crazy. I got about 560 in the Bitcoin short and then about 760 in the ETH short. Up about 10 and 11% on both of them. About $56, $70. Nothing too crazy. And then our Femex trade here, about $1,050. 7x leverage, right? I don't know why I'm not sure why my chart won't load here, but so up about 8% on this one. So we're green on 3 trades. Stop loss to entry on this one. So it's a risk-free trade. If we come up and we wind up pumping, I'll actually stop out in a little bit of profit. So I'm not worried about it if we start pumping. That's why risk management is very, very important, right? I'm not sitting here biting my nails. I was up over $100 before. I was up like, I think 11, 12, 13%, something like that. I'm not sitting here like, oh my God, I'm going to lose all my money, right? Because my stop loss is already below my entry point. And, if we get stopped out, it's risk-free. I'm not losing any money. I'm actually going to make a little bit of money. So not worried about it. That's the importance of risk management, right, guys? And then ETH short and Bitcoin short, right? Pretty decently in profit here. So 3 green trades simultaneously running. Pretty pumped about that. We'll keep checking in on these. I know you guys like to see the trades. I try to bring them up as much as I can. I don't like to force trades just to have them open for the stream. So when I'm scalping, I'm usually in and out of trades pretty quickly. So unless it happens on the stream, the swing trades, I swing trade a little less often. I'm going to try to do it a little more often so I can bring up more trades because I know you guys like the live trading on the streams. So we're going to keep these up and then just kind of keep an eye on them, see what's going on. Let's see. You got to refresh the page. Oh, so you know it's not fake. Yeah. Okay, hang on. Let me just do this. I'm afraid I'm gonna leak personal information. So let me just refresh it real quick on another screen. So I see. Okay, nothing's gonna pop up that you guys are gonna see anything. Okay. Yeah, we're good. I can refresh it for you guys. It's not fake. Also, by the way, the Femex, the fake money, the testnet or whatever says Femex testnet here. As you guys can see, this is really the website, but I'll refresh it for you so you guys believe me. Here, 100x, come on. Yeah, I'm only 7x on this one. Who said that? 7x is nice. Yeah, I like 7x. A nice mix. There you go. Live account, guys. Live account. Not trying to fake you guys out here. KuCoin account. I mean, you could see the order book flashing like paparazzis over here. So, yeah, this is bada boom. It's the real deal, guys. We're really in these trades. We're not, not like it's unbelievable. Not it's like it's unbelievable. It's not like I'm trading $1 million. Like it's not, unbelievable trades here. These are pretty conservative trades. But let's see. 3 green trades. That's pretty much the opposite of how I roll. V-Slim, don't worry. V-Slim, practice makes perfect. Don't get discouraged, man. And hey, if you're using good risk management, as soon as you get in profit, hey, throw your stop loss in at least at your entry point, so you're not losing money and getting stopped out. But you do want to give yourself a little breathing room on the stop loss at first. But then once you get a little bit in profit and you got a little room to bring it down, bring it to your entry point. That way it's a risk-free trade. You can go to work and then not worry about it. Come back to your screen and either you're going to be stopped out, you lost no money, no one's mad about that, or you're going to be like, oh my god, it went my way and I'm super in profit. All right, let's see. Bing Bong asked if people would be interested in bot trading, but not the KuCoin bot BS. John Rucker, thank you for being here. So I am actually making a video on the KuCoin trading bots. We're going to cover them. Just in from MetaMoney. Go follow MetaMoney, guys. If you're into the metaverse and you want to get some low cap gems, find out the coins you want to be in for the next run. Go follow MetaMoney. They're giving out really good info over there, showing you play to earn, low cap gems, everything metaverse they cover, making great content over there. But Jay Chain said he's had really, really good luck with the KuCoin bots. He said he turned like I don't know, it was like a couple $100 into like almost 1,000 pretty quickly with the trading bot. So we're going to cover it. I know there might be some better stuff out there, maybe more stuff that you could customize a little more. And we'll take a look at everything. Anything comes our way, we will take a look at it and test it out for you guys and let you know what we think. Are people really trying to troll you on your trades? Come on. Oh, are they? What are they saying? How about some scalp trading video shorts of you during the trade? Okay, Michael Snellen. Welcome back, Michael. Yeah, we could try to do that. I could find out like maybe when I go home, if I'm scalping at night or something, I can kind of just screen record or something, and or maybe just record myself and just kind of talk about what I'm doing. Or I could go live and scalp live too. But the thing is, like, after I do this 2-hour live stream, I do kind of just like to put my headphones on, listen to some music and trade, rather than like always be constantly talking to the camera. Not that I don't love hanging out with you guys, but yeah, we could try to figure out a way to do that. Let's see. We got, I can't wait to trade 4 digits. Let's go, Carlo. You'll get there. You will get there. Let's see. Appreciate the insight, my guy. Ri-Fi, I got you, my man. Let's see. The Candle Don won. Let's go, Robert. I appreciate you. Nice trades, bro. Carlo, I appreciate you, man. I've reloaded Femex screen frequently. I have to, you got to refresh the page. Let's see. Whoa, Frankie trades. Love it, bro. Epic. Let's get it. We're going to try, like I said, we're going to try to show way more trades on the, I'll just pull this up so you guys can keep an eye on it while we're talking. I'm going to try to keep get some more trades live on here for you guys. I know you like it. I'm in Texas. Most are not legal. Robert, if you're having trouble getting on these sites, you could probably use a VPN, to get on them. You could that's easy. Just use a VPN. You'll be fine. Let's see. 20K would be the lowest, we all know. Yeah. All right. Evening, Frankie. So excited for the next couple of weeks. Got a larger bag on the sidelines, hoping we come down so we can buy in. Absolutely. The days of old. I think we might see it. Let's see. I'm going to be loading up. I lost my butt on KuCoin bots. Okay, Crypto Billy. All right. So there we go. We got a good review and a bad review. Let's see. Pencil necks is Crypto Face's thing. What do we call them here? Candle stoppers, wick outs, stupid idiots. I'm sure we could come up with something. Yeah, Epic. Short time frame bottoming structure. That would be awesome. Yeah, Jason Casper is a gangsta. Yes, he is. Jason Casper is the man. Jason Casper is the man. He's been on my show. I've been on his show. He's a good friend of the channel. We love Jason over here. But I saw I watched one of his videos recently. He's talking about trading and driving. I saw that. He pulls out the picture of him trading and driving. He's funny. I like him. That's what I like about his streams. I watch him sometimes. He's entertaining, right? A lot of these TA guys, like, they don't really have the entertainment factor. Jason definitely has got that. Evan Aldo, too. Great streams. Love Evan Aldo. Actually going to be on his stream, I believe, later this week. So definitely keep an eye out for that, guys. And go follow Jason. Go follow Evan Aldo. Both really, really good traders, good TA guys, putting out really good stuff. So definitely go follow them. But yeah, I don't know. I didn't see anybody really trolling that hard, but we should probably... come up with a name if we start getting pencil necks in our chat. We gotta figure out wick necks. We'll call them wick necks. All right. So let's go ahead and move on here, guys. Let's go ahead and check in on the DXY as we checked on it yesterday, right? So here we are, continuing somewhat of a bullish approach to this resistance, right? As we are continuing to make higher lows, right? We had a low yesterday, came up, got rejected again, made a higher low here, and now we are testing again with the 4-hour VWAP coming up. Is this going to push us above this resistance? If it does, it's not going to be good for Bitcoin, guys. We don't want to be seeing these setups like this. If we want Bitcoin to go up, if we get a breakout, not going to be good. Not too much has changed since yesterday, but we are putting in another higher low. So we're knocking on the door here, guys. We're knocking on the door. Let's hope no one answers it. Well, I'm in shorts right now, so somebody please open this door and let this thing run so I can make some money on these shorts. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. But kind of. So SPY, right, checking on this, typically moving with Bitcoin, right? The DXY typically moves inverse to Bitcoin. So DXY goes up, Bitcoin goes down, Bitcoin goes up, DXY goes down, right? So SPY typically moves with, or Bitcoin usually moves with the SPY, right? So when we see downward movements for the SPY, Bitcoin comes down. So we lost this support pretty aggressively. We are now bouncing right here. You see we bounced here once before. See if we found support somewhere else. Yeah, we bounced here a couple times, but held this level. Now coming up, testing this as resistance. If we get a bounce off of here to the downside, we might break this support and come down even lower, which would be bad for Bitcoin. But this little pump on the SPY could be why Bitcoin got a little pump this morning, if you guys noticed. So testing this as resistance may get a rejection down to come lower, which obviously would not be good for Bitcoin. Now checking in on Ethereum, or ETH, as some people call it, or Erythrium, as your non-crypto friends might call it. Guys, just get the name right. Just get the name right, guys. But no, let's go ahead and start over on the daily. Actually, let's check that 12-hour, see if we have that same yellow X. No yellow X, but you guys can see here what the yellow X's can do on these longer time frames. Let's see. What do the Femex invitations code get you? Jay White, I have to double check. You get a deposit bonus. I'm not sure how much it is. I want to say it's an extra $100, but I think I'm going to reach out to them and see if I can get them to raise that a little bit. I've heard people being able to do that, so I'm going to try to fight for the Candle Mafia and get you guys an even bigger reward there. But if you use the code, you do get some kind of deposit bonus. I think it's at least $100. If not, it's way more than that. I got to double check. But it should tell you. I think when you enter the code, you click on the link and it brings you there. I think it'll tell you the bonus that you get. I'm seeing 36.5 soon. Hey, let's just go back to Bitcoin real soon. Funny thing about 36.5 is we do have a 786 level, 786 fib level at 36.4. So yeah, that would be a area of support if we do wind up coming down there. Let's see. Let us know when you are on someone else's channel so we can come support. Chris, absolutely. I'm gonna reach out to Evan tomorrow, and I think I gotta check our text message. I think it's gonna be on Thursday, I believe. But I'll double check, and I will definitely let you guys know tomorrow. Definitely come in there and blow it up, and give him a follow. Evan puts out really, really good content, and he deserves Candle Mafia support for sure. Let's see. Hey, Chris Schaefer, what is going on? It's based on your initial deposit. Okay, David says the bonus is based on your initial deposit. Throw a little 10x on that 100. Hey, baby, that's 1,000. You guys know I'm good at that 10x math. I nail that stuff every single time. Nice hat, Frankie. Looking good. Brad, hey, thank you. Thank you for the compliment. Also, Brad, thank you for the hat. If you guys don't know, Brad gave me this hat. Well, let's see. Femex reward is based on your initial deposit into Femex. Okay, there you go. Hey, hope everyone's doing great. Sean C., welcome. Smash that like button if you guys have not already. We're going for 350 likes today. Can we do it? I think so. We've done it before. Guys. It's been a little while, though. We haven't hit 350 in a while. I think we could do it today, though. All right. Name of that volume indicator. This volume indicator that you're talking about, probably the one that you saw on ETH. This is the fixed range volume profile. That is right here, same where your long and short positions are. It's the last tool all the way at the bottom. I think you might have to have a paid version of TradingView. But I think it comes with the cheapest one. I think it's $12.95 a month. Definitely worth it. And today, guys, I recorded another video on another volume profile indicator, a little different than the fixed range, to help you find key levels, good exit points for your trades, good entry points for your trades. It's really, really powerful. It could even let you know areas where if you break out, where you could expect price to just shoot up or shoot down, showing gaps in volume. It's another volume indicator, so definitely keep an eye out for that video. It will be out tomorrow. These volume indicators are like cheat sheets for trading, I swear. All right. So on Ethereum, no 12-hour yellow X, but on the daily, here we go. VWAP, money flow curving up, not looking too bad. VWAP kind of coming down, though. We could get dragged back into the red there on the daily. But coming on down here, looking at, as you guys know, we are printing a lot of red dots on the higher hourly time frame. We're going to come back to this. 12-hour VWAP looking like it wants to cross over. Probably going to start printing a red dot here pretty soon. 10-hour. Red blood diamond here on the 10-hour, printed one candle ago. This could bring us down. You see this one brought us down quite a bit. Let's see if we can find another one. Yellow X, that one committed murder. Yellow X, red blood diamond there. So they do bring us down a good bit. Some of them play out a lot worse than others. Obviously, this one right here, absolutely brutal. This one brought us down, about 57%. I don't know if this one's going to bring us down 57%, but hey, no joke, right? This one is a little more realistic here. But yeah, this thing could bring us down. It is confirmed, by the way. The red dot and the blood diamond are confirmed here on the 10-hour. 8-hour, printing that red dot, not confirmed quite yet. Will confirm very, very soon in about an hour and a half. 6-hour, printing that red dot with a blood diamond and that little trigger wave could bring us down a little more, guys. Not looking too hot for Ethereum, if I'm being honest. But yeah, you can see we broke out of the value area low here, right? And then we came up, tested it, got rejected, tested it again, got that blood diamond and rejected. So not looking too hot. On the 4-hour, we do look like we could have a little bit more downside. That VWAP is starting to curve down, but the money flow is, the VWAP is starting to flatten out a little bit here, but that money flow is coming down. Coming over to that 2-hour, VWAP crossing up, might get a green dot here pretty soon, in which case you wouldn't have a bullish divergence, but it would show momentum coming to the upside. You could come up and test this value area low here, coming in at about 2870. So yeah, there is Ethereum, guys. Higher time frames not looking too hot. But you guys can see how this value area low down here just acting as continuous resistance. But you did get a green dot on the 1-hour, right? So yeah, not looking too bad. You do have a money flow actually curving up pretty nicely. But if that VWAP comes down, could pull you down a little further. But I think maybe this 1-hour could bring you up in the short term just a little bit before those longer time frames come and play out. Let's see. My ex committed murder too. Let's go. 350 people in here, guys. Let's go. Smash that like button. We're going for 350 likes. So definitely smash that like button. You also get a chance to win a giveaway. Every 100 likes you guys get a spin on the wheel. I know I say that a lot, but new people pop in as the stream goes on. I got to let them know. More likes, better chances for you guys to win giveaways. Let's see. Short squeeze coming maybe. Yeah. Jay White, that's kind of what I was talking about before on Bitcoin. Maybe, you could see this, this wedge play out in a bullish manner, right? Well, I guess technically not a short squeeze, but kind of just scare away all the shorts, liquidate the shorts. Well, I guess kind of like a short squeeze, but yeah, maybe we just come up, all the shorts get liquidated, and then everybody's feeling bullish here, and then we finally turn around to come down even further. But we're gonna have to keep an eye on it and see what happens. Actually, let's come down to these lower time frames and get a better look at the price action here. All right, printed another green candle. 15-minute, found a little VWAP, found a little support on that 0 line. I don't know, maybe this comes up a little higher. We'll have to keep an eye on it. Checking the trades here, 6%. So we're losing money, guys. We're losing money. Oh no. It's okay, guys. It's all right. Emotionless. We're emotionless. My stop loss is at entry. I don't care. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I could take the profit now if I wanted to. There's nothing wrong with that. But you know, we're holding on. We're holding on for the long run, guys. I'm not selling or buying, I guess, because we're shorting. But Frankie, forget about it. Frankie, forget about it. Is dropping classes worth more than Harvard? Steven, franchise. What is going on? Yeah, we're dropping. And hey, where's our money? Listen, college tuition might look something like this. But hey, Frankie Candles University is only going to charge you 1 like per stream, which costs you a total of $0. So there you go, guys. And hey, listen, you can probably make more money in crypto than any college degree will get you. Not that there's anything wrong with a college degree. I have a college degree. It's got me as far as I am in life. But hey, look at me. I'm working in crypto. So let's see. Adam is in prime setup. Oh, we will check out Adam in a second here. But how are you doing, Frankie? Uncle Jimmy. Everybody asks, Frankie Candles, how's Bitcoin doing? But nobody asks how Frankie Candles is doing. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. A little black coffee never hurt nobody. Thank you for who said that? Who said it? Who said it? I forget. I lost it. Let's see. Yeah, we'll take a look at Adam. When we are all extremely profitable, let's stop children world hunger, bro. Yes, that is the goal. Guys, listen. One of my favorite things is you know, when we all make it big in crypto, right? And we're like billionaires. My favorite thing to do, you know, when we become super billionaires, the thing I would be most excited about is giving away stuff. As you guys know, I give away tons of NFTs here. I know they're not like $1,000 NFTs or anything, but I like to give stuff to people. I don't know why. Maybe in a selfish way, I like seeing people's reaction when you give them something. But I think maybe we'll do some really cool stuff on this channel where maybe we do stuff with the super likes or the super chats or the super thanks or whatever. And like maybe we'll do some kinds of giveaways where we give back to the community, or maybe like we'll pick something and say all the super chats for this month. If we make a certain amount of money in super chats, I'll take all the money and like just go find some homeless person on the street and give it to them, or something like that, where we can make really, really cool content where you guys can watch. You guys just super chat and we take that money, and you guys, the Candle Mafia, can change people's lives through super chatting, and then we take all that money, even if everyone gives like $1 or something, turn it into a decent amount of money, and then go give it to someone who really needs it or something, and like really enjoy that moment of someone getting something and helping someone in need. It could be really cool. Just a thought. Maybe we'll do it, maybe we won't, but I think that could be really cool. Or maybe we take it all and then I give it back to the community, right? We'll take whatever. If we make this much money, I'll buy a really nice NFT and we'll give it away back to the community, right? Something like that. Not really. Yeah, I think that would be super, super cool. Givers gain, Frankie, givers gain. Hey, I hope so. I hope so. That's my thing. Yeah, one of my biggest goals in life is to, you know, get something really, you know, take care of my parents or something. Buy my mom a house, buy my dad his dream car, something like that. Oh, God, that would be the coolest feeling ever. But yeah, hey, bud, can you, if you got time, can you got indicator like you to check out? Ill Hero, yeah, let me know which one it is. Just put a wallet address up. The damn super chats rob a percent. Oh, and actually, if we use a wallet, I guess you guys could track that wallet, right? So like if anyone's skeptical, like I bet you he's just taking that money. You guys can like literally see where like the money is. Like if you guys see like, oh, why did he take this money out? He's not supposed to take money. You guys can literally, it's just transparent, right? So it's like unscammable. Not that, you know, like we have nothing to hide, but like it just makes it more certain that you guys know that like you know where your money's going. You can literally see where it's going. So I think it'd be really cool. I think it'd be really cool. Hope, I'm doing great. I'm doing great, Hope. Thank you for being here. All right, let's go ahead and let's actually take a look at Adam, guys. As you know, oh God, poor Cardano, 76 cents. Guys, poor Gala. Guys, Gala at 13 cents. We've lost that magical 18-cent level. Now, look how high it looked so far away to the downside. Now it looks so far away to the upside. Some of these alts are absolutely crushed, guys. Not a good look. But let's go ahead and check out a little bit of Cosmos, $17. Saying somebody said it looks really good. Hello from Italy. Hey, Bobby. Welcome, my friend from Italy, the mainland. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hang out with your favorite crypto Italians over here. You know, I'm from Italy, but I'm not like from Italy. I was born here. My ancestors, I guess my family, my grandparents are from Italy. But Bobby, welcome. Welcome to the Candle Mafia. You found the right people. You found the family. Shout out to this fedora. Frankie for the people. Yeah, no, 100%. That's why I don't sit here and tell you guys crypto's going to the moon. That would be in my best interest, not your best interest. I am here for your best interest, not mine. So, yeah, I am, Hope loves these ideas. Yeah, I think it could be really cool. And if we make content about it, you guys can come along for the ride. Like, we could make a video like the Candle Mafia gives back, right? And, you know, you guys can watch your support change somebody's life who really needs it. So I think that could be cool. I think that'd be really cool. And giving people stuff is super fun. So yeah. Anyway, Adam. People are saying Adam looks good. Let's take a look. Green dot on the daily. Oh, hey. We got to come back to this. I'm going to remove this stuff for now. But yeah, we will come back to that. That little strategy that we were testing. I went back and changed all the stop losses. I didn't finish. But we're going to take a look at it. But yeah, anyway, green dot on the daily, not looking too bad. VWAP crossover, money flow still coming straight down. But this is a pretty big bomb here. I mean, look at this thing go. Bam. Oh, God, I'm pissed I missed that. That's for sure. Let's check the 12-hour. No, I mean, you got a yellow X here, but no yellow X here. You got two green dots down here. Money flow still not looking the best. 10-hour. Money flow flattening out, but kind of coming down here. Looking like you might print another green dot there as the 10-hour VWAP is coming down. 8-hour VWAP starting to come close to that zero line. Might print another red dot there. 6-hour looking like it wants to cross over. Might print another red dot there as well. 4-hour crossing over now. What's that 15-minute looking like? Yeah. So yeah, 4-hour red dot confirmed. We came down a little bit more. Money flow starting to flatten out there just a little bit. 2-hour, yeah, 2-hour generally coming up. VWAP on the upside. Money flow still not looking the best there though. Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's go to the daily. Let's find some levels here. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty strong support. You can see we bounced off this many times. It also acted as resistance a bunch of times coming down. Yeah, I think maybe we will get some sort of bounce here. Let me pull a fib on this. Let's see. Bada boom. Let's go ahead and pull it from this low to these highs right about there. Yeah, you do have a 786 fib level right here coming in at about $15. So yeah, I mean, maybe you bounce off this trend line that we just drew, or you come down to that 786 fib level. You don't. Let's check 15-minute, looking for bullish divergences on the lower time frames for a possible entry here. If we find one, I'll hop in a trade. All right, let's see. Yeah, no bullish divergence. Let's check the 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, nothing. Let's check the 5-minute. Yeah, I mean, you have bullish divergences printing here, which you got this little move up, but nothing really printing on the, yeah. I mean, you did come up a bit. Yeah, I mean, maybe you come up a little more, but the money flow is not looking the best. I think maybe you come down to at least this trend line. But then, yeah, again, 4-hour VWAP crossed over, 6-hour VWAP crossing over. So yeah, I don't know. Longer term hourly timeframes are not looking the best. Whoever was looking at Adam, do you think now is a good time to be investing in alts, or should I be waiting a few more days? Forso Beast Gaming. These prices are pretty low. I would say if you are thinking about buying, at least just dollar cost average, just put a little bit of your money in case we do continue to come down. You can get lower entry points on the way down. Wouldn't recommend putting your whole bag in now. How about Adam? We are looking at Adam right now. Amin. Hey, Amin, what's going on? I just read your message here and then just saw you said, hey, what's going on? Thank you for being here. But yeah, this is Adam we're looking at right now. Hard to say. I mean, yeah, 1 hour is probably your bullish hope with that VWAP curving up, but maybe that drags your money flow back into the green, so you can move up a little bit, but nothing really screaming at me here. If Bitcoin goes for the 42K range this week. Yeah, I mean, altcoins typically outperform Bitcoin just because they have lower market caps. So yeah, all in Adam. Yeah, I mean, hey, I'm not saying Adam's a bad project at all. Yeah, I have a bunch of Adam. But yeah, like in the short term, maybe you get a little pump, but these longer hourly time frames have the VWAPs coming down, probably going to print red dots. I think you could come down more. Let's see. Let's go down. Hawkish Fed coming up tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Let's see. What's good, Frankie? Just joined in. We still looking bullish short term. Yeah, Bitcoin getting a little bit of a bounce right now. Yeah, I mean, you do have a bullish pattern forming, that falling wedge that we pointed out before, giving you that little bounce. Looking at, let's get the 15-minute. Let's turn off Market Cipher A so we don't clog up our views here. But yeah, I mean, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. That 15-minute VWAP found some support. Maybe it's going to roll over and bring us back down, but we'll have to see. But if we do come up short term, it would make sense just because we have that falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern. So I think it could bring us up. Price target for that is about 42K, 42.2. So yeah, it wouldn't be impossible to come up short term. We're just going to have to see what happens. Is it going to break up or break down? Let's see. Any way you can do the Discord thing after 8:10 Eastern tonight. That way I can see you too. I'll be driving to work just before the stream ends. Won't be back until then. No problem, Cap. I have to work on a script for BitBoy crypto video that we're releasing over the weekend. Going to be a very interesting video, guys. Keep an eye out for that on Ben's channel, BitBoy Crypto. But I can try. I don't want to make a promise just because I don't know how long this research is going to take, because I'm diving very deep into something. So it might take a long time. But if I do, it would probably be after that time anyway. So I hope that works out if it does happen. But I am going to be pretty busy with that tonight. So if I don't get into Discord tonight, I will find time. I will not forget. I will definitely hop in there and chat with you guys. All right, let's see. Thanks for the sauce, Jonathan. No problem. I got the sauce for you here. I'm stirring it. I'm just flicking the spoon at you, just splashing it all over. You know what I'm saying? While y'all asking for alts, it only matters what Bitcoin does. Vanilla, you're not wrong. I mean, we do have alts that just kind of don't care what Bitcoin does. It's just like Bitcoin's crashing and, GMT's like, I'm going this way, or Adam's like, I'm going this way, or Ape is like, I'm going this way. They don't care. But for the most part, rising tides or sinking tides sinks all ships. So yeah, if Bitcoin dumps, there's not going to be many alts doing well. You will rarely be completely happy with your decision, and you'll rarely ever pick the top and the bottom. Get some at each level. You'll almost always wish you bought or sold more at the... Yes, David. Louder for the people in the back, David. Louder for the people in the back. Can I... I should pin that. I don't think I can, but... all right, Carlo, I see you. It's okay. We'll wait for you. I say Powell threatens 75 rate hit. We'll see 32K this week. Woo, baby. I do think, guys, if we continue downward, I think we will bottom out in the next month or two. It's definitely possible. And hey, if we can get it over with a month or two, we'll get maximum pain, right? In a month or two, it'll all be over. You'll be accumulating, and we'll just be on a slow sideways ride until we get into the next cycle and come up. It's not the worst thing. The bear market is what you should be excited for. The bear market is where you double down on your research. The bear market is where you stay when all the other retail investors leave, because you want to change your life. You want to change your kid's life. You want to change your kid's life. You're here to make generational wealth. You're not here to just buy the top or close to the top and make a 10% gain. You're here to buy the bottom of the bear market and get 1,000% gain and get crazy 10x's, 20x's on altcoin. Get crazy gains. This is where you double down. When it gets boring and it gets hard, that is a sign that you are doing the right thing. You want to lean into that boredom. You want to lean into that pain because that pressure builds diamonds. I guess pressure isn't boredom or pressure isn't hard. I guess pressure is pressure, but maybe the wrong phrase. But for real, like when it gets boring and you're sitting at your computer like, oh my God, Bitcoin's just doing nothing, and you want to walk away, don't do it. That's the test. That's the test. That's when you want to double down. You want to do the opposite of that natural feeling of when you're bored and you want to walk away. And that can apply to anything in life. Anytime anything gets hard and you want to walk away, sometimes when things get the hardest, when you're really struggling and really failing and you really feel like you can't break through, sometimes your success is right on the other end of that. So the harder it gets and the more you don't want to do it, sometimes means that's the closer you're getting to finding the success you're looking for. So welcome to another Advice with Frankie Candles. That goes for anything in life, guys. Just remember that. Just remember when things get hard and everybody else is giving up, that's a sign. Remember, 99% of people aren't successful. 99% of people aren't rich. That's why that's why there's way less millionaires than middle class and lower class people, because being a millionaire is hard. Being a millionaire takes work. Being a millionaire takes discipline. Being a millionaire takes doing things you don't want to do. So that's why there's way less millionaires than not millionaires, right? So when you feel that, lean into it, because that's what millionaires lean into. Just saying. Facts, Frankie. Let's go. Made by means. Let's go. Then buy, then wait till second half of the year for recovery. Yes. Me right now at school. Audi Trades. Listen, stick it out. I don't know what you're in school for or anything, but it's okay. Just remember, even if you're struggling in school and you know, even if you wind up not using what you're going to school for, the pushing through is teaching you lessons that you will never ever forget. It's going to teach you lessons that are going to push you ahead in life. My degree, at least right now, I'm college educated. That's great, but I'm not specifically in the field that I went to college for. But struggling through college and doing things that I wasn't good at, and just trying is helped me so much in my life. Just learning those principles of pushing through stuff and having perseverance and just pushing through. So there you go, guys. There you go. Frankie has learned from BitBoy. Listen. Ben's a very successful man, right? And they'll tell anyone successful will tell you the same thing. They'll tell you the same thing. So, go watch a podcast. Go watch a podcast with really successful people, and they'll all tell you the same thing. Yeah, most traders, lose tons of money. Most traders have all red trades before they get green. I was watching a podcast the other day of a Forex trader. He started with like $100,000, or he lost $180,000, went from $180,000 to zero. And he didn't give up. And now he's a multi-millionaire, just Bugatti. So, there's something to be said there. Not everybody is, ready to do all the stuff that they don't want to do. Some people just don't want to do it. And that's fine too. Listen, you got to do what makes you happy. But if you want financial freedom and you want financial success, you got to do the things that get you there. And sometimes you got to do a lot of things you don't want to do. So anyway, went off on a tangent there, guys. Sorry. But hey, I'm giving you guys life sauce. I'm giving you guys a little crypto sauce, trading sauce. We got it all on this channel. All right. I feel Ben thinks he knows a little bit too much about what's going to happen. Lane, listen, Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin goes down. I'll say that. But remember, Ben has been in crypto for a very, very, very long time. So Ben has been through full bear markets. Ben knows what happens. That's not to say that, everyone's going to be right 100% of the time. But yeah, I on this channel, I pretty much lean. I give you bearish cases, bullish cases, because we could go up, we could go down. And we just want to be prepared in either direction, because you make money. We make money in either direction, right? We're coming down right now. I'm making money on 3 different trades, even though we're going down. So that's why, 180K, holy yeah. But yeah, I think that wraps that up. Frankie for president, bing bong, let's go. Frankie for president, let's get it. Let's see. I am just risk off at the moment because I think we're dipping more. Then I'll start going in with my stables. Let's go. We'll ride through this. Lots of opportunity on the way. Yeah. With respect. Yeah. Lane, of course. Frankie, motivational speaking tour starting today. I'm in. Let's go. Hey, I'll do anything that helps people. I'll do anything that helps people. I genuinely like people. I genuinely like people because I think we're all more alike than we think. But anyway, this is not a motivational stream. Let's get back to crypto, guys. Let's go ahead and continue. We got 361 people in here. Guys, we're so close. We're so close to 350 likes. Only an hour into the stream here. Let's get it, guys. I think we're going to hit it today. If we hit 350, I'll give you guys 4 spins on the wheel. Let's go ahead and check on these trades. All right, we're back up a little bit. Look at that. We're back up. Not too bad. But who knows? Could be forming a little bit of a bull flag here. Or bull pennant, I'm sorry. Maybe. All right, we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. But my trades are risk-free at this point. I got my stop losses at entry. So we all Gucci. We all Gucci. But yeah, guys, if you want to see any altcoins, go ahead and throw them in the chat so we can push through it. Yes, absolutely. Throw them in chat. We'll make a list so we can run through the alts if you want to see them. And then I'll just start over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at Cardano, guys. I am sweating. Look at the hair today, guys. Look at this. Doing a little. I got to take this off, guys. I got to take it off. This is my second time stripping on stream. I'm sorry. I am sweating. Oh, God. The struggle's real. I turned 30. I could barely get my sweatshirt off. Oh, God. Frankie Candles to the top. Let's go. Let's go, Rizarda. Let's go. I'm bringing the CandleMafia with me, guys. I'm bringing the CandleMafia with me. I don't ride alone. I ride with the Mafia. Let's go. I'm here for you guys. I'm nothing. I mean, you guys got to realize I can't do this without you guys. So you guys are the real, you guys are the real Frankie Candles. All right, let's see. Cap, have a good night. We love you. We'll see you tomorrow. I like some specific little bit of the rest. GMT. Okay, there we go. Here they come. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look here at Little Cardano. Let's go ahead and see. Poor Cardano. All right. Let's see. Bada boom. Let's check the daily. Got a green dot on the daily. Got a green dot on the daily. VWAP coming up. Doesn't mean that we can't just roll right back over. Money flow is in the red. But generally, if we grab a trend line here and come to the lowest point, generally we are still coming up with that money flow. So not too bad. You also have price coming down with that green dot. So, you know, maybe there is a little cool off here. We might get a little pump back up. We'll have to see. You see that last time the daily printed a green dot here. We did come up big time, but we also crossed over right here and we got a little pop up and then came right back down. Probably, yeah, there you go. All right. Let's check the 12-hour. 2 yellow X's. They might have played out already though. That pain. But yeah, coming down here with that VWAP. Let's see. 8-hour VWAP coming down. 10-hour. VWAP coming down. You got a 10-hour yellow X. This could bring you down a lot more, possibly. However, you want to remember with the yellow X's, first one brings you down a lot. Second one brings you down a lot. The third and the fourth could be indicating seller exhaustion. The third and the fourth typically don't play out as much, but they can at times. So I never recommend longing when you have yellow X's like this on current candles. Do you see 1, 2 brought you down? I'm trying to find one where there was like... yeah, so you see you got one, brought you down a decent bit. Then you got a blood diamond, brought you down a lot. Yellow X brought you down. This one all kind of brought you down. Yeah, yellow X, guys. These things are ugly on this time frame, as you can see. But let's go ahead and move on here. Yeah, money flow aggressively coming down here on the 10-hour with that yellow X. Not a good look. 8-hour, yeah, VWAP coming down. Probably going to print a red dot there soon. Yeah, these VWAPs on the higher hour time frames are coming down. Blood diamond on the 4-hour. Ugh. Oh, boy. Guys, yikes. Yikes. But hey, at least we can short, guys. At least we can short. But here we go. Let's go ahead and see how strong. Okay, yeah, this is a pretty decent level here. We are coming up to support here. On the 4-hour. I mean, I think this blood diamond does have a chance to push you through. I think worst case for Cardano in a full bear market, if we do go down there, I'm actually going to pull up an indicator here, guys. This is the indicator that we did make a video on. Where is it? I think I liked it. Volume profile visible range. Gonna have to change the settings here. Let me just change this really quick for us. So I'm not going to go too in depth on how to use this. I'm actually just using this to literally see where we could. Yeah. All right. So let's see. Boom. Boom. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah. So basically what this does, guys, this analyzes volume based off of the visible range that you have, right? So right now it is showing you the volume traded in the range that is visible on the screen. And then if you zoom in and say you only want to analyze this bit of price action right here, you see the indicator changes, and then you get the red line where the most volume was traded, similar to the fixed range volume profile. And then I'm not going to go too deep into this because we are having a full video come out about it. You know, yeah, I mean, if we break this, it's going to be a nasty fall. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. If we break this support and we continue to break any other, any of these little micro supports that we have, I think we're going to have, this, down to about 36 cents is not, down to about right here is not going to be out of the question for Cardano in a full bear market in the 30s, 30 cents that is, would not be impossible. If we break this, we could see a pretty crazy, drastic, rapid drop for Cardano. So we're holding on for our, dear life here. So there's Cardano for you. Can we look at Ape? Yeah, I will. Yeah, we could recheck out the 4 hour for Bitcoin real quick. 4 hour, I got you. I'm here for the people. I'm here for the people. I got you. I got you, Art. Art, I'm here for you, brother. I'm here for you, Art. There you go. 4 hour, right? Money flow coming down. VWAP below that zero line. I don't know what you want to see, but I'll pull it up for you. But let's go ahead and check Ape. Thank you for the list, Tyler. I appreciate you. Let's go ahead and check ApeCoin. Bada boom. Let's go KuCoin. Ape with a massive dump off that all-time high. Yeah, baby. Look at this thing. Sheesh. Look at this. This looks like a slide at the playground, guys. Look at that. That looks like a literal slide at the playground, right? And then you sit, and that's the leg holding it up. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm going crazy, guys. I'm actually losing my mind. With any 100x and no real progress since all-time high, it's bound to tank. Yeah, Lane, absolutely. When you have something go absolutely bananas like this, yeah, you are bound for a massive dump. Nothing goes up forever, guys. Nothing goes up forever. But let's check the daily. Not a lot of information on the daily. Random line there. Somebody making an NFT. But yeah. VWAP, I mean, nothing really to come out here on the daily. These higher time frames don't have a lot of information. Let's check the 8 hour. Let's turn on Market Cipher A. Keep an eye on these yellow X's and blood diamonds. Yeah, I mean, VWAP on the 8 hour actually telling a much different story than a lot of these other coins, right? A lot of the 8 hours are coming down, crossing over, printing red dots. Excuse me. Where Ape is coming up towards that zero line, looking for a cross to the upside. Not looking too bad on this time frame. Could bring that money flow back into the green. But I want to be clear, guys. If Bitcoin tanks, this could be totally invalidated. I mean, this doesn't look horrible right now. If the VWAP crosses over, you could get dragged back up in the money flow. You probably are due for a little bit of relief, even if it's small. But if Bitcoin decides to dump tonight, I mean, this is not going to really matter that much. I mean, maybe not tonight, but this is the 8 hour, so we're gonna have to watch it. But if the whole market starts crashing, no one's gonna care about this VWAP crossing over on the 8 hour for Ape. Taking a look at the 4 hour, 4 hour yellow X. Here we go. Just more. Yeah. Ooh, this does not look good. Yeah, you got money flow just beautifully curving down here, printing that red X, that red dot, and the yellow X. You already came down a decent bit here. Already came down about 7%. Could bring you down more. You will be printing another candle here in about an hour. We'll see what happens there. But the 4 hour not looking too hot. 2 hour deep in the red, right? VWAP just still below that zero line. 1 hour. VWAP starting to come up, but you did get a yellow X. I'd be careful longing. You do technically will be printing a bullish divergence here in just a little bit. If you go here to here, if you print and confirm a green dot here, that will be a bullish divergence as you do have price making lower Lower lows as you have the higher lows on market cipher B. Typically, you see price come up. I think you are probably due for a little bit of relief here, even if it's just a ride back up to the point of control. You get a little ride like this, a little pop ski, a little pop up. But be careful if you have another yellow X here. You want to be careful with the green dots and bullish divergences if you have yellow X's, because you could, yellow X's could just step on you. Let's take 15-minute. Yeah, there you go. Bullish divs printed on the 15-minute. You came up a little bit, but now you're coming back down. But yeah, I mean, this 4 hour is not looking good. Actually, what's the money flow doing on the 15-minute? Yeah, you're already in the red. But yeah, this 4 hour is looking ugly. But I wouldn't be surprised if shorter term on the lower time frames, you got a little bit of a relief. But be careful, because this 4 hour is hideous. I've noticed here on West Coast, there seems to be pumps around 8 to 11. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, Ben Cowan is solid as well. Don't know what you guys are talking about, but yeah, Ben Cowan is very, very, very smart person. Let's see. So should I wait on DCAing into Ape? I mean, yeah, I'm not currently DCAing in yet. I'm waiting at least. I want to see what happens. If we get this relief pump, might be a decent time to let that happen first before you get in. Let's see. Not financial advice. Just pumped into an ETH short. Let's go. So far, so good. Let's go. Be slim. Let's go. I'm rooting for you. Okay. So let's go ahead and check the rest of these alts. Vulcan, for you guys love Vulcan. Let's go ahead and look at Binance, Vulcan Forge. This is one I'm going to be looking to accumulate for sure. Just so for anyone interested, when I am accumulating, I am looking to accumulate a lot of metaverse stuff, a lot of metaverse stuff. I think this is the stuff that's probably going to do very, very well in the next cycle. For anybody interested in things I'm keeping an eye on, Vulcan Forge, Gala, ApeCoin, Moon River. There's a ton of them. Maybe I'll make a video on coins that I'm looking to accumulate, because that's a whole nother fun part of the content that we can make, is I can analyze coins and let you guys know what I'm buying. Not that you should buy them, but I think you guys might be interested to know what I am buying. And V-Slim says, I like chocolate. Don't know. I don't know what that's referring to, but let's go. Anyway. Okay, so on the daily for Vulcan, printing a green dot here on the daily, as a lot of stuff are. Money flow coming up, not looking too bad on the daily. However, again, you want to keep the rest of the market in mind. No one's going to care about the VWAP crossing over the zero line on the daily for Vulcan Forge. If Bitcoin is dumping, it's probably just going to follow suit like most things do. So keep that in mind. Let's see, 12-hour. Guys, I'm really going to try not to say like, and right a lot. But you're gonna have to bear with me, because I think it's gonna be a long road to recovery. Let's see. VWAP over the zero line. Green dot printed a while ago. Yeah, you're rejecting off this resistance here. No yellow X's, on the current price action just yet. Yeah, you're getting rejected off this pretty hard. VWAP coming down on the 10-hour. 8-hour, you got the red X. That's a short signal technically. I don't recommend just shorting every red X that you see, but that's technically what that means. VWAP coming down. 6-hour. 6-hour, yeah, you're getting that. Oh, God, that red dot very close to the zero line. VWAP coming down on the 6-hour. 4 hours probably looking hideous. Yeah, money flow coming out. VWAP below the zero line. 3-hour, yeah, curving up. 2-hour might start to turn around here. VWAP coming up. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. In this current environment, unless Bitcoin really, if we really start to pump, it's the only way I can really see these coins coming back. If Bitcoin continues to dump, it's not going to look good for the alts, guys. It's really not. Maybe with the exception of a few random outliers. But they're 1 hour printing that green dot, confirmed, I believe. Yeah, that is confirmed. But I mean, not the strongest VWAP. It's starting to flop over already with the money flow coming out. That money flow is looking to cross over, pretty soon here. Yeah, I would say you're probably coming down a little bit more with Vulcan Forge. You do have a little bit of support here. Maybe, this rolls over, money flow goes into the red. You come back down, test this area at about $7.90. Let's see. Life is like a box of chocolates. I don't know why I said that with a random accent. Do you spot trade? Of course I spot trade. And yeah, guys, if you're not comfortable using leverage, all the stuff we talk about on my channel is completely relevant to spot trading as well. Strategies, all that is still applicable to spot trading as well. So I do spot trade. Great way to build your bags up. And make some money. You don't always have to use leverage. And you also don't always have to use like 40x leverage or 20x leverage. I typically use between 5 and 10x. I usually typically don't go above that because it's just never really good. Like at that point, you're starting to gamble. But if you use leverage as a tool, if you use it to just increase your what is the word I'm looking for? If you're just looking to increase your capital just a little bit to give you a little extra boost, if you don't have a lot of money, that's different than putting it on 50x. So, that could start to turn into gambling. But if you're using lower leverage with good risk management, it could use it as leverage can be a very powerful tool. But it is more risky than regular spot trading. That is for sure. Let's see. Connor, we know it's going to be a long road, and we're here for you. With a hugging emoji. Thank you, Connor. He said, Frankie, you said 3 times while telling us you're going to stop. There you have it. Long road to recovery, guys. I'm trying. I'm going to try. Don't worry. That'd be cool. We want to know what... did I miss something? Did anyone else see... I got to get back to work. See you, V-Slim. Good luck on your trade. Frankie, I'm already in DC. Okay. Someone said... that'd be cool. We want to know it all. Uncle Jimmy, I don't know what you're talking about. I wish I did so I can make sure I do whatever you say, whatever you're saying. The other side metaverse is good and fun and incorporates the ape token, and it's going to get used a lot. Then the growth of the other side metaverse, ape could be big. Yeah, chemistry, bro. Absolutely. Ape is one of those coins I'm really, really looking to accumulate in a bear market. 100%. I think it could be huge. Kion, what is going on? Kion says, Frankie, I love you. Kion. I love you back. Shout out to Kion. Kion. I don't know how to say your name, but hey, I love you too. Let's see. Watch tonight. A loser today in KNC will be one of the few hot coins tonight. All right. Keeping it in mind. Nice hat. Appreciate you, Kion. I appreciate you. Or 3 to 5x. Yeah, Lane, 3 to 5x. Absolutely. I would recommend people stick to 3 to 5x. There's really no reason to just jack your leverage up because you'll get huge wins and it's exciting, but it's dangerous. Very dangerous. 100x all day, babes. Hey, Sam, let's go. Let's go. If you are going to use high leverage, just use money that you're willing to lose. If you want to mess around and have some fun, that's fine. Road to recovery or highway to hell? Like the colored wheel. Let's go. I appreciate you, Rizarda. I appreciate you. Okay. Was referring to VPVR on the interesting indicator comment earlier. Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. There you go. Well, VPVR video out tomorrow. I read your mind there. Bad Man Elite. I read your mind. Okay. Let's go ahead and we're going to do a drinking game. We take a shot every time Frankie says right. We're going to get hammered for sure. Yeah, you will, right? Anyway, all right, let's keep looking at these. Let's take a look at Illuvium. Also going to hop off a little early tonight, guys. I have to get that BitBoy crypto video done. I don't have an editor helping us out today, so I will have to hop out a little early. But I think we covered a lot of good stuff in this stream. I feel good about this stream. All right, taking a look at Illuvium. Let's see. Green dot on the daily, like a lot of these coins are. Money flow starting to come up. VWAP above that 0 line, not looking horrible. Again, remembering that Bitcoin is going to control most of the market. Excuse me. You just want to keep that in mind, guys. 12-hour. Got a little pump here. 12-hour on Market Cipher B. Looking like it. Yeah, VWAP coming down. 10-hour. Let's take the blood diamond on the 10-hour with that, not confirmed yet on this. You're going to have about an hour to confirm this blood diamond, but this would not be good on the 10-hour. A lot of blood diamonds on the 10-hour. Is something coming, guys? Are these alts about to bleed? 10 hours, no joke. Look what this last one did. This last blood diamond brought us down on the 10-hour, brought us down all the way to 16%, right? And now he came up. He came down, made a lower high, blood diamond, and may continue the trend. 8 hour, yeah, 8 hour VWAP about to cross over that 0 line. Yeah, these higher hourly time frames are looking pretty bearish. Printing a red dot here. Yeah, not looking good for Illuvium, not gonna lie, guys. Let's try to find a time frame where we, are we gonna get a bounce? Yeah, I mean, even you get the 1 hour VWAP crossover. Money flow coming up very nicely. Nice curvature on that money flow, but your VWAP's starting to flop over. Not the most powerful VWAP crossover I've seen. Yeah, I mean, money flow coming out. That VWAP's coming up, but the money flow's coming out. 30-minute, money flow coming down. Yeah, not looking good. As far as support, you do have some support right here that you could come down to. That's probably your next level that you would come down to. And then you do have, you got a couple bounces here. Yeah, I would say as far as support, keep an eye on this level here, $466. Could come back down and test that. If you break it, probably going to be coming down closer to where we bounced over here at about $455. So there, keep an eye on those for Illuvium. Let's see. Frankie, where do I get some rubles? Let's see. No, strict Hydra. You can use a VPN to get on Femex. So you definitely can get around that. We going down to 32. Oh, yeah, I hope so. I'm in some shorts. Or are we going to bounce up? Looks like we could get a bounce. We do have that falling wedge, which is the bullish pattern, technically. Leans bullish. So we could get a short-term bounce. But longer term, I think we are going to probably come down. Let's see. All right, let's see. Illuvium, let's see GMT. Anybody, let me know if any of you guys are using GMT, getting that money for walking around your neighborhood. You make your market cipher A icons go higher. Mine are stuck right above the candles. Interesting. I don't know. I haven't changed anything on it to move them. Interesting. Are yours not? Mine are way higher than yours? Interesting. I've never seen that before. No, I mean, I didn't change anything specifically to do that. That's just how they pop up for me. Interesting. All right, let's check out GMT on the daily, right? As GMT actually recently went absolutely nuts, getting a huge correction similar to Altcoin. But yeah, I mean, not really a lot of information on here. Let's go straight to the 10-hour. No blood diamond on this 10-hour. That's at least a good sign. VWAP getting rejected at that 0 line, right? Maybe, you are coming up to this value area high, though, so it may act as support. But remember, when you're in these low volume nodes up here, these low volume areas, typically you get sucked back to the high volume areas like this point of control down here. But we do have some stops along the way. But that VWAP probably going to cross over, somewhat soon here. Question is, how high will it bring you up? We'll have to see. 8-hour VWAP looking like it wants to cross up as well. Money flow looking pretty healthy, to be honest. I feel weird saying that in the environment we're in now. 6-hour tells a completely different story. VWAP crossing over that 0 line, about to print a red dot. And money flow just coming out. Money flow coming out pretty aggressively, looking like it wants to cross over. That's not looking too good. 4-hour, you are printing a red dot currently here for GMT. Let's check the 15-minute, looking for the money flow crossover. Let's put a horizontal line here and see how close we've gotten. Let's see. VWAP crossover. Yeah, you're printing that red dot. Gonna confirm in about 50 minutes here. Probably gonna come down a little bit. If you do come down, I think you will. Your next stop might be this level here at about $2.90 for GMT. I can't count how many steps I take. Hey, brother, can you check KDA? No, we will not check KDA. I'm a KDA bear. I'm kidding. I don't know why I even said that. I love, I don't love Kadena or hate Kadena. I'm just joking because I was typing it in. We're checking it out right now. You asked for it. We give it to you right away. And I'm sure it was probably on the list. So we're still knocking out the coins on the list. Yeah, KDA was on there. So we're checking it for you. Who said it? Who said it? Who said it? Who said it? Can you check Row Fields? I got you. Kadena, right here for you, Row. I got you. All right, 4-hour blood diamond. Not the best look. Probably going to bring it down a bit. But let's go to the daily. Green dot on the daily. I don't know if I have much hope for these green dots on the daily. 4-hour blood diamond is going to bring you down probably a little bit. You know, not impossible that it doesn't, but I mean, last one, similar to a lot of these other coins, brought you down 36%, right? Not a good look to have those red blood diamonds on the 4-hour like that. 10-hour, no blood diamond on the 10-hour, but VWAP, you know, bouncing around, looking like it wants to cross over. 8-hour, just coming down to that 0 line, going to be printing a red dot soon. 6-hour, still same thing. Money flow generally coming up, kind of. But that VWAP is coming down. Might print a red dot there soon. 4-hour, obviously looking disgusting with that blood diamond. Money flow kind of flat there. Let's just check the 2-hour. Yeah, money flow coming down on the 2-hour. I mean, a lot of these look like they're going to come down. If Bitcoin gets a big bounce, though, maybe you could see things turn around short term for these altcoins, and they could come up, but it's not looking too good right now. Moon phase not looking good either. Yeah, Hodge. Yeah. Let's see. Did anyone make some gains? I want to take a shot and need an excuse to celebrate. Hey, here you go. I got some gains here. Up 10%, 12% on Bitcoin, 10% on Ethereum, and then another 9% on Bitcoin over here. So there you go. There's 3 winning trades for you that you could celebrate for. Let's go. Thanks, Frank the Tank. I got you, Rofields. I got you, brother. But yeah, so for Kadena, if we do see further downside, that blood diamond does play out. Where do I think it can take us? Sheesh. Let's pull up our VPVR. And again, I'm not going to go into, this is more for me because we are coming out with a video tomorrow, so you guys can learn all about this. I don't want to ruin the video for you guys. So I'm just going to kind of pull this up so I can take a look at it and kind of see. Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking, yeah, for Kadena, probably going to be coming down. I mean, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this out as a range. You know, I would say probably going to be coming down into this range here between $2.50 and $1.83. So that's probably, you might get a pretty aggressive fall. You know, you might just get a little, you know, boop, right down to this level. Might be a pretty aggressive move. You are holding on to key support here. So definitely, you got a decent amount of volume down here that you might bounce off of, but not much there. So you might get a quick. So you see how, you know, price, we broke out of this level and price just kind of shot right through. And, you know, we came right up to this level. It's, you know, you can see there's a lack of volume in this area. So that's what causes these massive spikes. So on the way down, you can see we broke this level, came right down, right? If we break this level, we might come right down because of the lack of volume here and then just come down to this high volume area right here. But that's it on the volume. I don't want to give too much away. We do have a video coming out on this, but very powerful tool, guys. Very, very powerful tool. Definitely worth the $12.95 to get for TradingView. Let's see, 1.8 maybe. Yeah. Badman Elite. Yeah. All right. Let's see. What do we got next? What do we got? An hour 33. We got some time. Cheers to that. Bottoms up. Let's go, Rob. Let's see. Sand. Checking out Sand. We'll go Sand Tether. Boom. Oh boy. Guys. We are testing crucial support as resistance currently on the daily here. You broke support, right? Boom, you broke this level. You're coming up to test it as resistance. If we get rejected, we could see a pretty quick move down to this level. I'm going to draw it as a range again, you know, because it's not always a perfect line, guys. It's not always a perfect line. You don't want to get faked out. But yeah, I would say somewhere in this range, right about here, I would say between 85 cents and 58 cents. I know that's a pretty big range, but you probably will get some sort of a bounce at 84 cents, but it might be a fast drop. It might be, you know, let me see. Might be a pretty quick drop down there, right? Before you hit that support. I think it could be a pretty aggressive move. But you are printing a green dot. I just don't know how powerful it's going to be for you. Yeah, as you can see, as we zoom in on these time frames, you can see clearly that we broke support. Now we're coming up and testing, currently getting a bounce. 10 hour, yeah. 6 hour. Yeah, see, this is not a good, right? You break down, you come up, you test support, you're rejecting, you get that short signal. Not that you just short all the red X's, but as you can see, red X, you come down, right? Let's find another one. Zoom in a little bit, right? Red X, you come down. Red X, you come down. Red X, you come down. Red X, you come down, right? Red X, you came down a lot, right? You were aided by these yellow X's. So this is not a good look. This is a breakdown, retest, short signal, could bring you down. Let's see. Blood diamond on the 4 hour. No, not quite, but still, getting a little bit of a red diamond there. Little trigger wave here could bring you down. Not looking too good, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But you guys got the levels there. Yeah, you guys got the levels there. Where is my? Let's go back to the daily. What happened to my box? Did our box get deleted? Our box got deleted. But yeah, I mean, I would. Yeah, I mean, I would say, yeah, maybe you get a bounce here. I mean, a dollar even. So a dollar even is probably gonna be your first, major area of support, right? Or $2. I mean, yeah, if we break $2, you're probably gonna have a pretty quick drop down to. Why can't I draw a horizontal line? There we go. Somewhere in here, right? Yeah. Not gonna spend too much more time on this, but yeah. Yeah, you're probably going to come down somewhere in here, I would say. So we'll see what happens. We'll check back in on this. We think we get a retest and then a dump down, and then we, somewhere in this range is where we're going to be. So we'll see if that plays out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and check another one here. Crow and File. Let's check out Crow. Guys, creeping up on 400 likes, 262 concurrent viewers. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate every single one of you. Smash that like button. If you guys, I was going to give you 4 spins for 350, but 450, I'll give you 5 spins. 450, I'll give you 5 spins. All right. Here we go. Oh, boy. Look at this thing go. Yeah, so coming down to your 786 fib level right here, coming in, coming in at about 25 cents, coming in, at about almost 25 cents exactly. So, are we going to come down and test this? I think it's probably going to be pretty likely. Man, I wish I caught this short. Yeah, stinks. Anyway, yeah, so your next level of support is probably going to be the 786 fib level. So keep an eye on that. I'm not going to dig too much. No green dot on market cipher B. 4 hour, 6 hour. Yeah, same deal with a lot of these coins, right? The VWAP on the 4 hour coming down, 3 hour coming down, printing that red dot already on the 4 hour. Are you in the green here? Yeah, no, not really. But yeah, not looking the best, guys. Really not looking the best. However, if we get a big bounce for Bitcoin, maybe things just turn around and we come up a little bit. Definitely possible, but if Bitcoin continues to dump, these alts are set up and ready to go down. So just keep an eye on that. Just remember. Saucy. Let's go, Matthew Barnes. We always saucy over here. All right, let's see. Over here. Let's see. Let's check out H-bar. H-bar. Another coin I'm looking to accumulate in the bear market. Let's see. Let's go Binance. Bada boom. Coming down, baby. Coming down. These alts are wrecked. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. All right. Let's see. Let us see. Bada boom. All right. Let's go to the daily. And yeah, I mean, we got a bounce here. We got one bounce here. All right, we hit that wick. But we are holding on for dear life here. Got a green dot on the daily. I don't know how much that's going to save you. 30-minute. I don't know. Why did I just go to the 30-minute? That was weird. 16-hour market cipher A, yellow X. But this might have probably played out already. 12-hour. Yeah, I mean, money flow deep in the red. Money flow coming out on the 10-hour, not looking good. 8-hour money flow coming out. 4-hour printing a red dot, confirms in about 39 minutes. Not looking good. Yeah, blood diamond on the 3-hour. Yeah, guys, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. But who knows? Crypto likes to surprise us. Maybe we'll get a little surprise pump. But yeah, I mean, you're looking to hold this level here at about 13 cents. You know, yeah, I mean, geez, I mean, 6 cents. Yeah. Not looking too hot, guys, to be 100% honest with you. Let's go ahead and yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at DOT. And then we're gonna move on to the wheel, guys, because I do have to go record this video for BitBoy Crypto. Also, hey, 9 p.m. Nightly news wrap up for Ben's channel on BitBoy Crypto. It's a Frankie Candles takeover. I did the whole video and passed it to Frankie Candles, who is me, for the market watch. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Definitely go check that out. Show me some love in the comments. And yeah, I do the whole video. I'm not used to those kinds of videos, so let me know how you guys thought I did, because I'd like to know. If you guys have any constructive criticism, let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and check out. Oh boy. Okay, let's check out DOT. Here we go. You know, very similar structure to Bitcoin, right? But let's go ahead and let's see what we're working with here. You know, you do have, let's go ahead and pull up our volume profile. Again, not going to kind of touch on this too much. I'm just going to use this to, find some levels here. You guys will probably pick up on how I'm using it. But let's go ahead and see what we got going on. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, let's go here. Okay. Yeah, I mean, if we do break this level, right? Let's move this line. Oh no, that's the point of control. So let's just draw, right? So we're gonna bounce. We got to bounce here. We got to bounce here. We got to bounce here. Kind of got to bounce here. Bounce here. Bounce here. So if we break this level, I think we could get a pretty quick drop down to about this level here at about 1450. So keep an eye out for that. Real high volume. You know, closer to this area here at about $9.50 or 46 cents. So maybe you come down, you could make a stop here and then come down to test this area right here. So support below you, I would say, you know, yeah, I mean, you don't really have much. Yeah, I mean, yeah, 13 cents, maybe you get a little bounce. And then you do have a area of resistance above you, you know, about 1844. About if you come back up, you might test that area and get rejected. But yeah, I mean, just in general, guys, these alts are not looking that great. 12-hour, you know, no green dot was printed on the 12-hour, but your VWAP looks like it's about to just kind of flop over. Let me just drag this over. So yeah, your VWAP's kind of coming down there. 8-hour, yeah, VWAP coming down. 10-hour, VWAP coming down. 6-hour, yellow X, not what you want to see. You do not want to see these yellow X's popping up on such high time frames, guys. It's not a good look. Granted, you did get 2 here, so maybe it's showing seller exhaustion. If you get another one, might not play out as well as the first 2. But yeah, I mean, these are bearish signs starting to pop up on pretty high time frames. Yeah, 2-hour VWAP coming up, but the money flow looks disgusting. 1 hour, you know, that doesn't look horrible. VWAP coming down. Yeah, not looking great for the alts, guys. If Bitcoin dumps, these alts are in perfect setup to just dump. So just keep that in mind. Let's see. I'm going to nap. Peace out, Carlo. Have a good one. Thank you for stopping by, my man. I appreciate you. Guys, with that, all that TA being done, we are, like I said, I have to hop off and do this BitBoy Crypto video, but we do have to spin that wheel of pain and pleasure. let's go ahead and check it out here. What are we at? 419. Let's go, guys. Run that up to 450. You guys will get another spin on the wheel. Let's see if we can get there. If not, you guys get 4 spins. Let's go ahead and spin this dang wheel. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Bada boom. Spin number 1. Let's go. Let's go. Giveaway? 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 15-minute Discord hangout. All right. All right. We'll just add that to... We already have another 15-minute Discord hangout. We'll hop in there. Spin number 2. Let's go. Giveaway. I root for the giveaways, even though I'm giving you guys my money. But that's okay. I want you guys to win NFTs. I'm going to spin that. I'm going to give you this another spin. Spin number 2. Frankie follows you. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if it's just because it's me. I feel like that's kind of lame. I feel like we can come up with something better. ASMR. Spin number 2. I'll give you guys another one. Whatever. ASMR's, I'll just give you the ASMR for free. I think that's probably the lamest ASMR we've done. Night off. Okay. No crickets for me tonight. Spin number 3. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just giving you guys mad spins. I just want to give you guys something. That's all. Spin 3. Spin number 3. Let's go. Spin number 3. Spin number 3. Spin number 3. Let's go. Let's go. We're just spinning it for you guys tonight. I'm basically only letting it land on giveaway. If it doesn't land on giveaway, I'm not doing it. Funny hat I will take, though. Funny hat we will take. So another funny hat tomorrow. Maybe I'll wear the birthday boy hat. Who knows? Spin number 4, guys. Ooh, 430. You guys might run this up to 450. Dang. Spin number 4. Spin number 4. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give him a giveaway. Give him a giveaway. We already got too many funny hats. Let's go. I don't even care, guys. I just want to give you a giveaway. Let's go. All right. Bada boom. Bada boom. We also hit 350. We hit 430 likes. That's real good for us. Guys, we're just going. We're just going. If it's not, if it's whatever, I'll take one at some point. But yeah, we hit 432 likes. I appreciate you guys. So we'll give you that. Hey, there we go. Let's go. Giveaway. So we will be giving away an NFT, guys. There you go. I had to help you out, guys, a little bit, but I appreciate you guys for getting me up to 433 likes. So you guys deserve it. So yeah, mods, there we go. NFT giveaway. We will be announcing it. What we'll do is our video tomorrow, the VPVR video, that volume profile indicator you saw me using. We have a video about that coming out. What we'll do is when it's released, go watch the video, like it, leave a comment, and be a subscriber to get entered into the giveaway, right? And then, and that's how you get entered into the giveaway. I don't know why I just brain farted there. And we will pick one lucky person to give an NFT to. And then if we land on more giveaways throughout the week, we'll announce the winners on Friday. If you guys get another giveaway, we'll just add more NFTs and we'll just pick more winners. So VPVR video, guys, keep an eye out for it to enter into the giveaway. I like today's stream. I had fun on today's stream, guys. You were awesome in chat, as always. Thank you for the continued support. You guys are the absolute best. You guys are the reason why I stay up late and work hard. I love what I do, and I love to hang out with you guys every single day. These live streams are my absolute favorite part of my day. And then real quick, let's just check in on my trades. A little update. So we're up again, 10% on ETH, 12% on Bitcoin. Femex trade up, almost about 10% again. So I'm going to keep an eye on these. And if we're still in them tomorrow, we will bring them back up. If something crazy happens tonight, we do get a crazy dump or something, I'm going to hop on live. I don't know if it's going to happen, but we'll pull up the trade because it'll be exciting. We'll be making money, and it's going to be a good time. With all that being said, guys, that's all I got for today's stream. I'll see you guys here tomorrow. Same place, same time. And guys, go over to Debate Crypto. Go blow up their live stream. Leave a like. Hit subscribe. And let them know the CandleMafia is there showing them support. They're awesome. They cover the news. They cover all the fundamentals. They cover everything we don't cover. So you get all your technicals here. You get all your trading stuff here. Head over to them. Show them some support. They're really, really cool guys. That is Debate Crypto. I'm sure Tyler or somebody will throw it in chat very soon. Oh, he already did. It's right there, Debate Crypto. Definitely go over and go subscribe to them, guys. Great people, Debate Crypto. Go raid them. Let them know Frankie Candle sent you. With all that being said, guys, that's all I got. I'll see you same place, same time tomorrow. I love each and every single one of you. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out. Bing bong.